Behind me is the $100 million Rubik's Cube. But before we start with that, we're gonna start with the $1 cube. Let's test it out, shall we, baby? Hey bro, look at this. I can solve one whole side of the Rubik's Cube. Wanna see it?
No, not really.
I'm gonna show it to you anyways, watch. I did it! I'm amazing, that's a world record! Don't you think?
No.
Right? Really? Was it good? Really?
It was good for you.
Good for me? What did you just say? I have a lot of Rubik's Cubes in my collection, and I'm a pro YouTuber, so I gotta have that many. But the rarest one is the smiley face. You're never ever gonna see one of these Rubik's Cubes again. They are worth over $100. That's a lot for a cube, and there's only one of a kind. If you want to buy it, go check out my eBay profile. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Baby! I'm gonna go send this link to my friends. Isn't that cool? Oh. Guys, let's go! I should probably clean this up.
Hey man, want to learn an extremely complicated and advanced Rubik's Cube algorithm? It's the F120020. It's 1122 R2D233, and then you kind of spin this several times, and after that you get to the equivalent of X equals CY 299, and then after you do this, you just turn it. Does that make sense? I keep trying.
No.
You really hurt my days. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with some more of these cool stereotypes and, of course, inside of stuff. So if you subscribe, you might get some random things you never know about. But that might help you get into some things you never knew about. So anyways, please subscribe, please like, and I'll see you in the next one.